Growing the world's food is a task for visionaries, providers, those who aren't afraid to do what needs to be done. The world's farmers need reliable tools designed for professionals to perform in the harshest environments, to see past the unknown. Introducing Quantix and AeroVironment, the latest tools for the professional grower. Designed and developed in America, with farmers, for farmers, delivering on-demand field intelligence, enabling confident decision-making, saving time and money. AeroVironment's proven military track record runs behind the first fully automated drone ecosystem. Quantify field behavior quickly and easily with our intuitive user interface. Fly whenever you want with one touch. An advanced hybrid design combines vertical takeoff and horizontal flight to gather meaningful data for meaningful decisions. Onboard processing delivers maps as soon as the drone lands. For more detailed analysis, Quantix seamlessly integrates with AeroVironment's cloud-based decision support system. Perform advanced image processing and historical reporting. Compare RGB and NDVI datasets from the same view. Analyze crop behavior across time for seasonal trend analysis. Explore a range of analytics on the AeroVironment system to look back and move forward with confidence. AeroVironment invented the personal drone category over 30 years ago and has logged millions of flight hours as it continues to push the boundaries of drone technology. Our team of dedicated and experienced hardware and software engineers stand behind the American-designed Quantix and AeroVironment. Quantix and AeroVironment are a powerfully simple drone-based analytics ecosystem designed by AeroVironment. Proceed with certainty.